A man attended the party and sat in the front row. A lady started serving snacks from the last row, and unfortunately, it didn't get to man sitting in the front row. The man changed his place and sat in the last row. Another lady started handing out drinks, this time from the front row. By the time the lady reached the last row, it was over. A man stood up to leave. Then he saw two ladies with big bowls of snacks again. This time, a man tried to be wise by sitting in a middle row. One lady started serving from the front row, and the second lady started from the last row. When they got to the middle row, it got over again. Then, suddenly, the third lady tapped him and held out her bowl. He stretched out his hand. Guess what was in the bowl? Toothpicks. Many times, investors also get caught in such a situation. While constantly trying to time the market, the investors keep switching their portfolios from one segment to another segment. Ultimately, he ends up getting just toothpick returns. Don't try to position yourself and time the markets. Be disciplined and patient to create wealth in long term. Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.